Hello, everyone. Welcome to Gate Wallah. So, guys, the day has come when for which we have dreamt a lot of times. And just hold on a second. Which we have dreamt a lot of times. And just hold on. Sorry. So the wait is over. All those guys who are thinking of preparing for GATE Aerospace. So, guys, GATE Wala has launched the aerospace branch, and we have launched the preparation for aerospace stream. So, those of you who are in the first year, second year, third year, fourth year, those who are preparing for GATE, and those who want to become scientists or good engineers, those who want to have a MTech and PhD in aerospace engineering. So, guys, for you, now the Gatewala has brought one of the most wonderful opportunity where we are going to start the free preparation for the GATE. So, GATE 2026 is going to be held in few months, and Gatewala has launched absolutely free course on the Gatewala English channel, where all the faculties, all the masters of this field are going to take you for the preparation, where you can get excellent ranks in the GATE, and you can go for the dreamt colleges like IIC Bangalore, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, where you want to study. So today, along with me, I have all the faculties of GATE Aerospace Engineering. Apuroop sir is there, Ramanand Bansal sir is there, Shivam sir is there. So today we are going to guide you on how are we going to help you all in the preparation of GATE 2026 Aerospace Engineering. So guys, myself, Vinod Kumar Datusliya, I am MTech from IIC Bangalore, and all the stalwart faculties, all who are available over here. For them also, you might be knowing that all of them are IITians and one of very good rankers in GATE and almost all the exams. Most of the faculties have done MTech from top IITs and have secured very good packages, Ben. But then we left those jobs, and we are here standing with you all, helping you all in the preparation of all the students. So all these stalwarts have many accolades for them in the field of mechanical engineering, and now we are going to be there for you all in aerospace engineering. So all those who are thinking of getting an admission in MTech in IIC Bangalore, IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur. So guys, the time has come where we are going to launch the Gatewala Aerospace GATE preparation for Aerospace 2026 on YouTube, and that is absolutely free for everyone. So before starting, I would request all the faculties to introduce one by one themselves and motivate you guys for this course. So first of all, I would like to invite Apuroop sir. Over to you.
Thank you so much, sir. That was wonderful introduction. Let me introduce myself a little bit. My name is Apuroop Rao, MTech from IIT Kharagpur in Mechanical Systems Design, and I've been teaching for GATE and ASE for the past 10 years. And I have been teaching the subjects of design, strength of materials, engineering, mechanics, theory of machines, vibrations, etc. And you guys know that in aerospace engineering, you have engineering mechanics as well as strength of materials in structures, right? And I will be taking those parts of structures. And the course is little bit different because the topics that are relevant in mechanical, they might not be relevant for aerospace. The topics that are relevant for aerospace, they might not be relevant for mechanical. So we have studied the syllabus extensively, and we have prepared the content accordingly. So we will be giving you the number one content possible right now for GATE Aerospace Engineering, and we are going to soon start with the topics of structures on YouTube also, so that you might get an idea of what type of content you are going to get in our paid batches. Along with me, I also have Ramanand Bansal sir, who is also going to teach you the subjects of structure. So let's go to him and let's understand what he is going to offer. Over to you, sir.
Hello everyone. First of all, I am introducing myself Ramanand Bansal. I have cleared GATE with all India rank 70 in mechanical branch in the final of year of engineering. After that, I got selected in IOCL, HPCL and BARC Finally, I have joined IOCL as operation officer in Hazira Terminal, Surat. But after working there for 1 year, I left the job due to my passion towards teaching. And since then, I am teaching in the field of GATE and ESE. Now, as GATE-Wallah is starting aerospace branch, new branch. So in this branch, as Apuroop sir told, in structure section, I will deal with the vibration subject. Okay. And vibration is very important subject in aerospace branch, because nearly 6 to 8 marks question comes from this subject. And in vibration, I will cover 100% syllabus, in which we will discuss free, force and damped vibration of single degree of freedom system, free vibration of undamped, free vibration of 2 degree of freedom system. And similarly, we'll discuss questions or problem related to infinite degree of freedom also, which are in the syllabus of structure dynamics, that is vibration in GATE Aerospace. So this is about myself. Apuroop sir, over to you.
Let's go to Shivam sir and let's understand what he has to offer for you. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So, hello, very warm welcome in GATE-Wallah and Physics-Wallah. I myself, Shivam Dixit, welcoming you all on behalf of GATE-Wallah. And as we all know that GATE-Wallah is launched Aerospace Engineering. And today I have something very special, right, to tell you. That, see, if you talk about any normal student I'm talking about, there are 3 kind of students basically. The first kind of student who are actually want job just after BTech. They generally opt for CS branch. They opt for CS branch, they study 4 years and then they go for any job, right? Private job mostly, right? Then some of the students are there who actually wants to go for government sector, government jobs, right? So they mostly opt for mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering and all. But there are some students who are actually made for real engineering. I'm talking about real engineering. Only those students who are actually love the study, they love the research, that students are actually going for this aerospace branch, right? So even number of time I have seen that whenever I'm doing something, right? And whenever let's say my mother came and she used to say that ऐसा क्या कर रहे हो कि rocket science कर रहे हो क्या? Now you have answer for this. Yes, I am doing something rocket science, right? So I have seen that this GATE exam is basically for CS branch. If you see, they actually want placement from the IITs. That's why they are writing the GATE exam. Mechanical, electrical, civil, these people are writing the GATE exam only to get the PSUs. But aerospace students are basically writing the GATE exam to get into the IIT, to get into the IISc Bangalore. And from there, they are doing the research, the real research. Correct now? So you people are completely different from other kind of engineering, right? And you mostly know about it. And I'm going to deal with the thermodynamic subject, right? So basics of aerothermodynamic subject I'm going to deal with, because like if you are aerospace student, then you know that you are going to deal with a lot of engines, right? Aircraft engine that is based on basically Brayton cycle and all. Everywhere, wherever you are going to apply energy balance, then first law of thermodynamics is required. So I'm going to deal with that particular subject, and I'm promising you at the very first session of myself, which I'm giving in aerospace, that you are going to feel very much confident in this particular, not only this particular subject, whole I would say syllabus. Why? Because our team is very much excellent. Apuroop sir have more than 14-15 year experience. I also have around 13 year of experience. Vinod sir, like you will see how much passionate he is. You know, now he got AIR 1 in mechanical engineering. You know, if someone is getting AIR 1 from mechanical engineering, then every single PSU have like offering him the job. If he want, he can go for IOCL, NTPC, HPCL, any job, right? Every single job options are open for him. Even he can go for any, like, not only job, he can go for design, he can go for thermal, he can go for any IIT anywhere. But what he chosen the IISc Bangalore, and that too also aerospace branch, even though he's from mechanical engineering. So what I'm trying to say that in our team we have very passionate teachers about as far as teaching is concerned, right? And you will feel in every single session you are going to feel this. And I would like to ask Apuroop sir that sir what we are exactly going to give, because our batches are basically for GATE 2027. If any students are like wants to get into get good rank or top notch rank in aerospace, then for 2027 we already have a very one batch is there. But what about GATE 2026? So Apuroop sir, what you are going to offer for GATE 2026?
Yes, sir. So as Shivam sir told you that we launch a paid batch for GATE 2027 for aerospace engineering, but we also wanted to do something for GATE 2026. It's not possible for us to cover the entire syllabus because we don't have a lot of time right now, but we are going to do whatever we can for the 2026 students in YouTube. And that too will be done in this particular channel, GATE Wallah English. So beta, what we have thought is, in every subject you have these important topics. Usually the students are stuck in these topics because they're not able to understand the concept well, they are not able to solve the relevant PYQs of that topic. So that's why what we are going to do is, for every section we are going to pick those important topics, high weightage topics. We are going to cover every topic in one single session, and we are going to solve different GATE PYQs relevant to those topics. Starting tomorrow, we will start with structures first. So for next week, this is going to be your schedule for the structures. 22nd September, tomorrow, 9 p.m. live on this particular channel. We are going to start with the first session, torsion in thin walled members. You might know this is a very, very important topic because almost every year you get questions from this particular topic, right? Then after that, we will be having on 23rd of September, we will be having the session on Airy's stress function, another very important topic of structures. Then rotational vibrations, vibration of 2-degree freedom system, vibration isolation. This is just the syllabus of this is just the schedule of the next week. After that, every week we will come up with these type of schedule. We will cover as many topics as possible for GATE 2026 so that your theory is going to be revised. You'll be solving a lot of numericals with us, and as many topics we can cover, we are going to do that. Okay. This is about structures, but we are also planning a lot of sessions on other sections. Let's go to Vinod sir and let's understand, sir, what are you planning for propulsion?
So, hello guys. So before I tell you my topics, let me tell you that thermal part, Shivam sir and I, both of us are going to take that part. And before I tell what my topic will be, guys, I request all of you that those of you who have not thought of joining us, or those of you have any doubt in this team, I request that tomorrow evening, 9 o'clock, you should come and you should watch the first session. Because when you will watch the first session, then only you will realize that what is the quality of content you are going to get over here. I am not boasting about what we are going to do, but see it for yourself. Because tomorrow, starting tomorrow, you can see what is the quality of content that we are going to provide. And if you see in the market, whichever the level you might be studying from tomorrow onwards, you will see that there will be a step function jump where you will see that the bar is set very high. Okay. So hope to see you tomorrow. And then now coming to my topic. So guys, I'll be taking the most of the propulsion part, where we are going to discuss about the first topic that we will discuss about is the thrust equation for any flight, any flight, any aeroplane or rockets. That is what we are going to discuss. Then the second part is we will talk about the compressors. So basic Brayton cycle, Shivam sir will cover, but then the details of the compressor, because compressor is again very difficult topic, very hard to understand. So compressor is also I'm going to teach. And again, there are a lot of topics. There is a whole gamut of topics that we are going to teach you. So guys, I am really excited because this branch is very close to my heart. I have always dreamt of doing MTech in this branch. I joined IIC Bangalore, then I joined GE Aerospace, where I have designed the aircraft engines. So all the practical knowledge that most of us have, we are going to impart you. We are really excited, and I hope you guys will also be excited. So over to you, sir.
And for those students who are preparing for GATE 2027, we have already launched a paid batch for Parakram GATE 2027, Aerospace Engineering, completely in English. And the offer price right now is 13,500. You might know that last week we had Nirman 2025, where we gave 71% off on all GATE and ESC batches. But this offer is soon going to end. So even if you are not from aerospace, if you are going to enroll in some other batches, please do that today, because this is going to be the last day of this offer. Now let's go to Shivam sir and let's understand what he is going to cover in aerospace engineering for you guys. Shivam sir.
Sir, आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Not audible,
Shivam
sir.
sir, you are on mute.
Okay, thank you, sir. So I'm going to cover the aerodynamics part, like aerothermodynamics part. In that aerothermodynamics, I have seen that mostly questions are coming from either first law of thermodynamics, Brayton cycle, and little bit thermochemistry part. So for GATE 2026, it is not possible to cover entire syllabus because time is very, very less. We have to restrict our syllabus. We have to restrict ourselves. But we want that people get the enough content, right? So I personally feel these three topics are there, which are very much important for upcoming GATE 2026. So I will plan the topics around it only, right? I will plan around it only. And you all know that this Nirvan 2025 session is over just 1 week before, like 1 week before. But still that offer is going on, up to 71% off is there. So if anyone is interested for GATE 2027, they can come and join, because now itself, because they will get a very huge discount. And even if you are preparing for GATE 2026, then you have to be in this particular YouTube channel only. We are going to conduct all the lectures and all the important lectures through which you can score good marks. We are going to cover here. Over to you, sir.
Ramanand sir, we can see that you also are planning sessions on structures. So what is your plan regarding the vibration part of structures?
Yes, sir. Sir, as we had discussed earlier also, that when we are starting any session in YouTube, so we cannot cover all the topics. So mostly we should cover those topics which is important for GATE examination and which is also difficult for student, just in which topics student faces difficulty in understanding. So that's why now in vibration, in single degree of freedom free vibration system, generally student faces difficulty in finding the natural frequency of rotational vibration. And this is very important topic for GATE examination. Okay. So that's why first topic which I'm going to cover is rotational vibration. Okay. Similarly, if we'll talk about free vibration of 2 degree of freedom, so definitely this topic is itself difficult, because now 2 degree of freedom system, solving the problem of 2 degree of freedom system is very difficult, because here matrix approach is required. So one class I'm going to take in the vibration of 2 degree of freedom system. Then definitely in force vibration, generally student faces difficulty in understanding the concept of vibration isolation. So one class which I'm going to take in vibration isolation. So sir, these are the 3 topics in vibration in this week which I'm going to cover. Over to you, Apuroop sir.
So guys, let me again repeat that this is just the schedule for the next week. As many classes as possible we are going to conduct. So the next week's schedule is there. Tomorrow at 9 p.m. we are going to start our first live class on YouTube on torsion in thin-walled members. But slowly we are going to add more topics here. Slowly we are going to cover as many subjects as possible. So if you also want us to cover some particular subject, some particular topics, please do write in comments so that we can prioritize those topics, prioritize those subjects. So with this, let's end this session and let's meet tomorrow exactly at 9 p.m. live for the first YouTube session of aerospace engineering. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.